More than 38,000 medics from 15 provincial-level regions have rushed to China's business hub Shanghai to aid the megacity in its fight against resurging COVID-19. Some 27,000 medics are responsible for sampling and testing work, and another 11,000 work in temporary hospitals.
我是来自湖北武汉的，然后这次因为上海需要支援，我们听到了就第一时间报名过来了。
选派的医护人员，总共这一批来了是650人。
我们现在看到的这样的这个用这个大仓库临时改建出来的13600张床的临港方舱医院，我们江苏医疗队、华山医院和浙江医疗队，我们3家来共同组成，来负责这13000张床。
那么对舱内的这个患者的救治工作，我们会跟上海方面的医务人员，那么在这个环境上衔接好，那么延续这个治疗方案，让上海的这个患者能够得到充分的这个治疗或情绪上的这个安抚。
Besides medical workers, vegetables and fruit from other provincial-level regions are sent to Shanghai to ensure its food supplies. The megacity is under temporary closed-off management. Shanghai launched on Wednesday a new round of mass testing, as a fresh effort to contain the latest COVID-19 resurgence.